Imagine a future where drones are no match for our military forces. Well, that future might be closer than you think, thanks to the DragonFire laser technology developed by UK scientists and engineers. Here are the top 5 mind-blowing facts about this cutting-edge technology. Fact number 1: DragonFire is a laser system specifically designed to shoot down drones. With its precision targeting and incredible speed, it can take down these unmanned aerial threats in a matter of seconds. Fact number 2: this laser technology is not just powerful, but also incredibly accurate. It can hit targets from miles away, ensuring that no drone goes unnoticed or unchallenged. Fact number 3: DragonFire is not affected by weather conditions. Rain or shine, this laser system can still lock onto its target and neutralize it with pinpoint accuracy. Fact number 4: the DragonFire laser technology is lightweight and compact, making it highly mobile and suitable for battlefield use. It can be easily deployed and operated by our armed forces, giving them a significant advantage in the fight against enemy drones. Fact number 5: looking ahead, experts predict that DragonFire will become even more advanced in the next 5 to 10 years. With continuous research and development, we can expect increased power, longer range, and even faster response times. So, there you have it, the top 5 facts about DragonFire laser technology. With its potential for battlefield use, we're one step closer to a future where our military can effectively counter drone threats.